Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. Now today, let's make some gungo peas soup with chicken back, corned beef. What else in there? Some chicken foot. So delicious. By the way, my mom will be making this. So let's do this. She starts out first by cutting off the chicken feet, fingernails. Like we Jamaicans, we don't like eat chicken foot with the fingernails on. That have to come off. Now she wash her chicken foot, she make sure it's clean, and she throw the water and she wash it again. Jamaicans love to wash their proteins. Alright, so that was the final rinse. After rinsing the chicken foot, she's going to fill up the pot halfway with some water now. Different pot, she has the corned beef boiling. Basically, she boils off all the excessive salt before adding it, corned beef before adding it to the pot with the chicken foot and stuff, you know, because we don't want the soup salty, oh no, but we want that nice flavor from the corned beef. Now it's time to pressure the chicken foot and the corned beef because it's a little bit tough, you know, so you want it tender. Alright, now she start working on her vegetables. We have the pumpkin, she peeled the turnip, and then she cut a piece of choco. You see me?
Can I help you? Hi. Thank you.
The little ones, they love to play with everything that is not a toy. Alright, my mom, she just peel off a piece of cocoa, and now she's going to go ahead and just cut them up really small. Yep. Woohoo! And she add in some garlic as well. There you go. And book scoops, by the time you know it, 20 minutes gone. The chicken foot and the corned beef has been pressuring for 20 minutes. So mommy just take the pot over to the stove, run some cool water over it so it can cool down and it do not explode into our face.
Yeah, this is good. Perfect.
That's my mama.
The beef is not a lot of beef, just to give the taste, it's just to put the flavor I want in here.
Okay.
You know what's here? Boil up already?
Boil up?
More soup.
Okay. Yeah, so she added some hot water from the kettle, so therefore the soup can cook quicker instead of adding cold water. Now she's cleaning up her chicken back. Chicken back usually have a lot of fat. You have to scrape out all of that before adding it to the soup. And the chicken back, you don't need to pressure it because it cooks fast as well.
That is no Maya iron soup. Chicken foot. With some corned beef.
Okay. She add in all those vegetables that she previously cut up. Grandma, come check the pot.
Hello, me pressure cooker anyone? Nice one.
This is a good group. Yeah.
So this is actually 3 generations of women in the kitchen cooking, and if you count in my children, it is actually 4. Alright, so my mommy, she finds some broad beans in the fridge. She can't just cook gungo soup alone. She's like, you know what, let me add some broad beans. So it's a gungo and broad bean soup. Alright, so we're going to wash all the gungo and the broad beans now. You know, so Jamaicans love to wash the food. And now we add it to the pot, and we're just going to allow that to go and cook down, and all of the flavors just go and jam together. So while that is cooking, mommy decided to make some dumpling. So in a bowl or pot, she adds some flour, cornmeal and salt, and a little water, and then she form it into her dough. She realized that it was a little bit too sticky, so she added a little bit more flour, and then she can roll it into her little mini dumplings. And then she skims off all that grease, fat or oil off the top of the soup. Our family, we do not like greasy food. No, no, no. Then she adds in her chopped up yams, the yellow yam, and she give it a good stir. Then we add in our grace cock soup mix. I mean, we can't be Jamaicans and don't use that. She add in a little scallion and thyme, and then take out the thyme after 10 minutes because she don't want all of the leaves to fall off into the soup. And she's just going to let this cook down. And after it cooked down, it's time to serve and eat. And my, the place smells so nice. Here you have it, some nice gungo soup made by my mother. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.